This is day 2 of doing my daily incense till I get all 3 shiny galarian birds. Alright, let's go. Our first encounter is a timpole, fledgling, barbirch, meowth, winkaloon, geodude, caterpie, ratata, lechonk, bellsprout, swinub, herdia, patrat, stunky, miltank, puccina, nimble, bidoof, wingo, oricorio, growlithe, ordino, lechonk, staryu, ratata, mankey, oddish, barbirch, eevee, clauncher, bunneary, pineco, chomeco, rowlet, snorlax, scorbunny, tepig. I'm gonna have to stop it there because I have to go now. I don't know how many we caught, but no galarian birds. So yeah, see you for day 3.